morning. Here we are on a very rainy day in Milani.
There's a blackout at the moment.
Yeah, the power's out, so thought we would make some vlog. Here is the guitar as it looks today.
I heard a lightning strike and it scared me. Really loud. I need to check on my butt cheeks.
So here's how it looks today. Looks good.
That's quite heavy.
It's probably a bit redder than I'd like, so I'll have another go at it later. Here is the solution, and as you can see, it's way redder than it was yesterday. So I might bung a bit of that on it and just see. Check this out, man! It's just a deluge today.
I punched Paul the rabbit. Paul bad rat. Football said Paul. Then Ryan let roll.
We're having
Can't do it.
we're having a blackout, so we're just kind of entertaining ourselves. Baxter is being unusual as usual.
Wait, what? Tomato sauce.
It's annoying because I can't do anything that I want to do. It's amazing how dependent we are on electricity these days.
Tomato sauce. Doing some mayonnaise.
I can't do any editing. I can't. Well, there's a lot of stuff that I can't do.
Garlic bread.
I was trying to eat my hand, which I find a bit frustrating.
Garlic bread.
I can't really do anything outside because of the rain. So, I like it. It's still a bit wet. You can't really see how it's going to look. It's better than it was. It was just so white before. But it's not dark enough. It's more red, which is to be expected from the technique. Pretty happy with that, I reckon. I'm just going to do the headstock now. For today's episode. And this has really had a chance to rust in, so let's just see how it's going to go. I'm just so gung-ho now, so whatever. This is yet to be cut. I'm going to be going to Anthony Pitzka's house, my friend, who is a luthier, and he's kindly offered the use of his scroll saw, and he's traced that on there for me with a template he has, so I'll simply be able to so I'll simply be able to cut around that, and should be apples, mate. Got a few more guitar builds coming up. The guy wants a 7-string, so it'll be interesting if he goes ahead. The other guy wants a Jazzmaster, sorry, which is exciting. Okay, so there we have it. See how that looks tomorrow, hey? That's all for today. I just love this kind of weather. It's dribbly and introspective. I like it. Trees turning. Wood's autumn. And there's Baxter with his new mouse. He's so happy with it. He's got this great keyboard, great headphones, and a great mouse, man. They all glow. He's a happy kid. Alright, well, thank you so much again for those of you that watched this or didn't watch this or one day will or never will. Just thank you, I guess, in general. Things are pretty good. I'll look forward to tomorrow. I'm going to a sourdough bread making workshop, so that should make for an interesting episode. See you, dudes.